Namaste, this is Nimita from Nimita's Cuisine. Let's have a good time cooking together. So today's cooking class is the Ayurvedic 101 makings of Kitchadi. Anytime you study Ayurveda, the first thing they will ask you to learn is Kitchadi. Why Kitchadi? It's a fully balanced meal that not only nourishes you deeply, but also balances your digestive system, detoxify it, and in exchange gives it outbursts of energies in your body and lightness, side effects, wonderful bowel movement. So let's take a look at the basics of Kitchadi making.